name's Ella, and thank you for clicking on my channel, and make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the bell. So right now I'm going to be doing my makeup stuff.
Hi everyone.
Hi, this is my dad, and yeah, he's going to like help in some bits, I guess, maybe not. So for now, we're just going to start. So if you have any brushes, then we're going to probably take a kind of thin one that's this sort of size, and it's okay if you don't have one like that, and just pick any one and you can just start. So if you have any sort of powder, then we've got 3 different trays and you have to pick the light one. So this is the light one, and it is, yeah, so you don't pick these ones, it's just the light one. So that's how you know like which one to pick. So you're just going to dab that 2 times, and then what you're going to do is, if you have a mirror, then grab it, that's great, and then you can just like put it over your face, and then you have to go on your forehead at the very top, right here, and then a bit on your nose, and then on your cheeks, and then a bit down at the chin. So you might not notice anything different, but you will know that it is a wee slight change. And if you have any sort of other things, like if you don't have that, it's fine, just pick your very own, and it doesn't have to be exact the same. It can be anything you like, okay? So don't worry if it's not the same. So next up, if you have any like eyeshadow or anything like that, you're gonna like dab it like twice, and you're gonna need a thin brush. It's quite like, it's okay if you don't have the same brushes. That's like totally so popular to not have the same brushes. So we're just gonna like close your eye, and then you're just gonna pop it like 2 wee dots maybe, and then drag it across, okay? So you might see a wee difference between the eyes. I'm just going to check inside of the mirror real quick. You might see a wee slight change if you see it. So next we're going to do the same with the other eye. So we have to close it down, take 2 dabs, and then with like this sort of brush, and then it doesn't matter if you have any different ones. So remember, so what we did with the other one is we do 2 dabs, and then we just drag it along a bit. And then if it's too much, then you can just wipe it off, or you can do it the same as like the other eye, So this is my first ever video, so it might look a wee bit like tilty, but so we're just gonna try, okay? So next, if you want to move on to lips, then you don't have to if you don't want to, but if your skin is a bit dry, then we're going to get some cream, and it doesn't have to be the same, but this is a wee example of mine, and it is really good. And yours can be different colors, or it can be plain, because mine is yellow. Some might smell, and that's a good thing, and if it doesn't, it's still great. So what you're going to do is you're going to dab it with your finger and just put it under kind of your eyes, and then you're just going to stroke it in, like this, okay? So since we've done the skin now, the rest that we've got on our finger is we're just going to rub it in our hands, and some of it might smell, some doesn't, some might be different, but that's okay in my opinion, and it should be in everyone's. And now if you have any sort of like lips things, because I have this lipstick that we can use. And by the way, doesn't matter if it's different, doesn't matter if you don't have it, just off you go, and then, you know. So we're gonna like upload it, and then that means that you take it up a bit by using the bottom or the middle. So I'm just gonna stare inside of this mirror, so just give me a minute. So like that, we've just done our lips. The lips are probably the most quickest thing, and it is starting to look a wee bit different. So now we've done the lips, so next we're nearly finished. This is probably like the last step, guys. So what you need is you need the same brush as you got. Wait, give me a minute. Wrong one. So you need a sort of like kind of like shaped brush, and then it's kind of like you have to like dab all the makeup that you put on except from your eyes and your lips. So this would have to be under your eyes, each eye, and then down your nose, another one at the forehead, and then down here, and then you can just go crazy and then just dab anywhere except from apart from sensitive stuff on your face. So that's probably it for today, and thanks for watching, and see you later. Bye.